The magic of fruit tree grafting. A green thumb's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're exploring a term that's very special to those with a love for gardening and botany. Fruit tree grafting. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or simply curious about how we can combine different plants, this video is for you. Let's unravel the magic behind grafting and understand why it's a game changer in the world of horticulture. Grafting is a horticultural technique that involves joining two plants together so they grow as one. In simpler terms, it's like creating a botanical marriage between the rootstock, the base that provides the roots, and the scion, the top part, which bears the fruit or flowers. This method is particularly common with fruit trees, enabling gardeners to produce better fruit varieties more quickly than they would through traditional seed planting. Why graft? Well, it allows the combined plant to benefit from the rootstock's hardiness and the scion's fruit quality or disease resistance. The grafting process can seem like a delicate art, but it boils down to a few essential steps. First, a cut is made in the rootstock. This is where the scion, a young shoot or twig from another plant, will be inserted. The scion must be carefully chosen. It should be healthy and from a plant that produces the desired fruit. After the scion is inserted into the rootstock, the graft site is sealed with grafting tape or wax to prevent disease and dehydration. The magic happens as the tissues of the two parts grow together, eventually forming a strong, productive tree. There are several grafting techniques, each suited to different types of trees and desired outcomes. Bud grafting, for example, involves inserting a single bud into the rootstock. Cleft grafting is used for larger rootstocks, where a scion with multiple buds is inserted into a split in the rootstock. Whip and tongue grafting is a more complex technique that provides a strong union for scions and rootstocks of similar size. Each method has its own benefits, depending on the gardener's goals. Fruit tree grafting is a wonderful intersection of science, art, and nature. It allows gardeners to cultivate new varieties, save space, and even rescue damaged trees. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating process of grafting and inspired you to appreciate the incredible capabilities of plant life. Whether you're planning to graft your own fruit trees or simply marvel at the ingenuity of horticulture, remember that grafting is a testament to human ingenuity in collaborating with nature. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more enlightening topics in our next video. Happy gardening!